This is the best Bobcat they said they ever made. Right here. Right here. Come on back, Jack. Look at that. We're gonna put some more stickers on those little things there. No rust, really, or nothing, man. This machine's been babied. We're going to show you the power of this monster. What we have here is a big house, and we're going to take it down, fellas. We're going to show you the power. We're going to show you the power of this beast. Try it. Level out. We're going to take her down. This is the power. You ain't ready for this. Oh my gosh, man. Woo, tooth bucket. Ain't nothing. This whole machine's good, man. Quick attach. Woo, doggy. Golly. Tires will never go flat. Look at here. This is the big bad boy. It's got the big old power. It's got the high lift. It's the H model. It's got the manual in there. It's got the AC. It's got the heat. There you go. You see the power of it, what it can do to a house. Oh, there you go. You don't buy this one. This one right here is good to go. Ready to roll. Let's go.